What made you like the piano or choose the piano?
Like I saw like it was like an instrument and I liked music, so I decided to choose piano.
How much do you like music?
Like a lot.
If we're going to talk about Sina today, there are lots of things I would like to share about him. First of all, he's a very sensitive student, but he is also have remarkable sensitivity that is shown in music. So he's super talented in playing music, especially the piano. Also, you can see how sensitive he is and how talented he is in the way he solves his problems and the way he communicates with his friends. What are your hobbies, Sina?
Playing football and playing piano.
Interesting. When did you start playing the piano?
3 or 4 years ago.
Sina has a great passion in piano. When I saw him the first time playing, I was so impressed. He has a great technique. He keeps training more and more. He wants to be better. I wish him the best.
How many times do you practice during the week?
Like I practice every day, only 30 minutes.
Sina piyano konusunda çok yeteneklidir ve bir öğretmen vardı, bizim eve geliyor, evde eğitim veriyor Sina'ya. Haftada bir kere Sina eğitimlerini alıyor ve şimdi devam ediyor. Gerçekten bu konuda yetenekli olduğu için bizlerimizden gelen desteği vereceğiz ki inşallah bu konuda Sina iyi seviyelere gelsin.
So he expresses his emotional background or his emotional character through music, even in the way he acts or reacts with his friends. How does it make you feel while playing the piano?
It makes me feel excited and happy.